Gate swing, galloping at the start of the race is Dugus to King. Italia is running by the rail, rushing up is Now or Never. Moving up down on the inside is Trojan Knight. It's Dugus to King, Italia, Now or Never. Trojan Knight racing forward by about 3 lengths. Fisher Champ moving up by the rail, Presidential Storm Play, Prince Carlo, Warstar, and Mr. Lindros. And rounding the far turn, Dugus to King, 8A by about 2 lengths. Italia in second, Now or Never. Trojan Knight getting closer in fourth, and Fisher Champ rising up is Warstar as they race the final corner. 8A, Dugus to King by about 2 lengths. Italia, Now or Never. Trojan Knight rushing up in between runners and nearing the finish line. Dugus to King. Trojan Knight is running down on the inside. Dugus to King. Trojan Knight prospering down on the inside. Moves up and finally it's going to be Trojan Knight. Dugus to King. Number 3, Fisher Champ. 8, Now or Never, Italia, Storm Play.
Kulang na.